That's the quick way down.
Out of here. Doesn't seem to be very productive, but I don't know what.
Well, I think we get out and walk up to where we got out before and get back in.
Do that?
Because we're still a ways. I mean, it is eased.
It's quite a ways to where we quit fishing, though. From here.
Yeah, I know, but we could walk up there and get in where the woods are instead of...
Go walk the edge of the field and get in where the woods start?
Yep.
All right,
I'd prefer to do that.
Should we go up the feeder? I think we fish to about that next bend and then walk back to the easier out.
There's a fishy.
Yay, alright. Positive start. Another little brookie.
Little brookie. Jeez. Look at everything. That was not a tentative bite. Little brookie, no skunk, alright. At least for me.
Fish. It's a brook.
In the ace's hole there.
What's that?
In the ace's hole there. Whoa, look out, dude, look out. He's unhappy. This is a nice brook trout. Okay, that camera battery died, but I wasn't going to let the nicest fish I've seen today so far get out of reach. A pretty brook trout. Oh, come back here. He is just super duper red. Ugh. My God, dude. Stop it. Boy, he's just convulsively pissed off. Super red fins. Cool mouth. And there he goes. He looks okay. Hides in the sticks. Yeah, there he goes. He's in good shape. Yeah, go for it.
There's a crusher. Brookie smash.
Came off the timber for sure.
One hook, bottom lip.
One hook, bottom lip. Just a little guy.
Take one of those right about now.
Ooh, what do we got here? Got ourselves a cluster fudge.
Into the raspberries. Get on that There's a couple of nice holes right in this first few bends below the bridge too. They were bushwhacking your way down there this time of year.
This is super clear.
Yep. There's a fish. There's a decent brown.
Oh, he's off.
And that's the silver, huh? That one?
I better check my hook.
3 fish.
The fudge is going on here. There you go. Oh my God, you're
That's
killing
a nice brown too.
That is a nice brown. Looks like about 14, 15?
Yep. Hey, look at that.
No skunk.
Cute little brown. Not getting skunked.
Yeah, alright.
Fuck this thing.
2 fish, alright.
Dark brown.
Nice fish. Alright. There's a decent brown. Right at 12-13, huh? Oh boy. There he goes, back in the hole. Right back into...
Yeah, but if you
rocks.
look, there's pallets underneath the rocks there.
Yep.
The old school lunker bunkers.
Good lunker bunkers.
The ones that don't get filled in with sand are the good ones.
Yeah, a lot of spearmint.
Well, alright, I didn't get skunked.
Small fish. Not a lot of fish, small streams. Sheb's happy he didn't get skunked. Thanks for watching Wisconsin trout fishing. Happy fishing.